Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center, your Irvine Chiropractor. Today I'm going to show you how to stabilize the knee joint by strengthening the associated muscles, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. So Maddie, if you can come a little bit closer, I want to show you guys something. Can you get a nice view of this? So this is let me just back up here for a second. This is the back of this person, and this is a muscle that is connected to the knee area. So we want to make sure, and this is typically one of the muscles that is heavily engaged with knee issues. Also, one of the other muscles that is heavily involved and ignored is this muscle, which is gluteus minimus, and this one, which is a gluteus medius. So that one, the one underneath it, and this one are the ones that I'm going to show you how to do the stretching of. So what you want to do is pretty simple. What you do is you lay down on your side and make yourself comfortable here. Your hips stack on top of the other hip, and then you turn your toe down. And so if I was to make a nice straight line, you're going to be a little bit above the whole time your toes turning or facing down. And what you want to do is you want to go up there, just like that. And then the next one is you want to go up this way and back that way. So in this exercise, when you go backwards and you go forward and you go up, you're working on those muscles that I showed you about. And the key here is to make sure you don't tilt forward and backwards, especially when you go back here. You don't want to hyperextend your back. So this exercise, by doing this exercise, you're really strengthening some of the knee contributory muscles that are not necessarily engaged properly. What ends up happening is, Maddie, can you show me the knee here? So what ends up happening is when this muscle is not strong enough, the knee goes in as you're doing whatever exercise, if you're running, if you're lunging, whatever the case may be. So if this knee keeps going in, you're going to injure your knee. What you want to do is you want to strengthen this muscle that keeps you outside, and that's one of the exercises that you get to do to strengthen it. Anyway, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and follow my Facebook page, and remember, you can always send me an email with any questions you have. You can contact the office. I'll make sure all the contact information is in the description box or something. And remember, you're the designer and the director of your own life, so design and direct it the way you wish to live it. You take care.